So you want your own model, but you don't want to spend hundreds of millions of dollars training it like OpenAI did? Well, there's a couple concepts that you can implement on top of an OpenAI or a large language model to get your data into the system. One of those is fine-tuning. Fine-tuning lets you pick small bits of your own data, bundle them together, and provide that to the model to train on top of. Now you've made a specialized model on top of the generalized large language model that's available. You're telling the model how to respond using this data. This is what I should expect. So what's the prompt and what's the response? The benefit of doing this is it's going to be a lot quicker to get responses from the model. It doesn't have to try and formulate an entire answer for you, and reduction in your cost because you're going to be using less tokens to prompt it and less tokens in the response because the models work through prompts. And when you're using the API, there's a token usage cost. Think about what sort of data you could use and how you could actually make your own layer on top of generalized large language model and make it fine-tuned for your business and your use case.